see? Oh yeah.
All right, today we're gonna bring an earwax remover. Now, this is not a camera, it's just an LED light, if you guys can see it. And it has these see-through earwax removers, if you guys can see it. We're gonna put it together and we're gonna see how to use this. So let's go and put it together. And of course, they give you a charger, they give you an extra information about it and the instructions how to use it. But this thing is supposed to be really light, which is it is super light that I can't even feel it sometimes. It's like really light. No batteries, it's all built in. Of course, there's a charging station. LED light is really powerful, but it's powerful for ear light, right? It's mostly like a daylight color, right? Let's put this together and see how it looks. All right, look at this one. We changed the head and it's actually more glowing instead of the yellow one. This is actually a lot better. So there's two different types, all right? One's for the ears, the other one could be for the nose too. So